Hey, do you want to learn how to use the whiteboard mode in Insta360 Link 2? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Currently, I'm on Insta360 Link controller and you're seeing me through the Insta360 Link 2. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is in view on the right-hand side, I'm going to use this gimbal to look down like this and going to view my desk here. Let's also adjust the exposure a little bit, like make it down. All right, now you can see I've got these stickers here and you need to place them on your whiteboard. Currently, I've got this book and I've placed them like this to demonstrate how it works. These stickers, you'll get them inside your box that you get. You'll get them inside it. Now, what you need to do in order to enable it is you've got this whiteboard on the bottom, this icon. Press on it and it's going to start the process and it's going to correctly skew it and zoom into this part where you have got these stickers. And these stickers, you can peel them from here like this, and then you can stick it to your whiteboard. There's also the smart whiteboard. It works like this. You can rescan, use the whiteboard and all. On the top, you can see we have got this Insta360 virtual camera enabled. Let's say you want to use it in OBS or some other tool like Zoom, you can do it. I would advise you not to use the virtual camera because it's going to take up too much of your resources, CPU resources. Instead, you could just turn it off and go with the whiteboard mode. It works completely fine as well. Now I can show others what you're drawing here and such. Desk view also works the similar way, but this is also nice. You can just draw or explain what you want on your whiteboard. All right, now I'm going to push it up with this view adjustment and also increase the exposure because that's something you have to do. Whenever you push the gimbal down and you push the gimbal up to view yourself, there will be some adjustments that you have to do in exposure. I think 0.3 is great for the room that I'm currently in. I've got this low light environment right now. I've got a key light over here and no other light. So I think, yeah, 0.3 is great. But as soon as I try to push it down, you'll find that, okay, I need to disable the AI tracking first. Now, as soon as I push it down, you'll find that due to the key light, the exposure starts getting up. So in this case, I need to reduce the exposure here to -1.2 or -1.5 in order for this to look great. Yeah. Now, as soon as I get it up, it's going to look weird. Like it's going to suddenly get really dark like this. So yeah, I need to increase the exposure now. So that's one drawback. And whenever you use any of these AI features, you're going to find that the CPU is going to boost up. Also the GPU if you're using any of these effects here, so makeup and background. And these will not work if you just select default webcam in OBS, the Link 2. Instead, if you go with the virtual camera, then it will work, the makeup, background and such. And the 60 frames per second is also not going to work if you enable virtual camera. So yeah, that's how to use the whiteboard mode in Link 2. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Link 2 related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.